So, speaking of parenthood, meron din kami
Dahil dyan, meron kami
hindi ko alam ka second video.
Sana mo nakakatawa.
Kinakabahan ako.
About parenthood.
Parenthood, okay.
What's up, guys? I'm Joey Salads. I'm here today with Emily, and Emily is concerned that her husband's not paying attention to her child at the park because he's always texting on his phone and making phone calls and doing work on his cell phone. So we're going to be going to the park today to stalk him, see if we catch him on his phone, and then go try to abduct the child. So what do you think will happen when we go?
What?
I think it's
Seryoso?
possible if you call him over, he's gonna come and...
Totoo yung issue nila? Totoo yung issue nila? Oh my God!
So you definitely have a chance to scoop him up.
Alam mo, ako pa naman, meron akong, you see this all the time, yung kidnapping here and there, yung child abduction, child trafficking. Tense na tense ako sa mga
may
ganyan.
tension siya sa anak niya.
Scott. Want some more candy? Yeah? They're coming, huh? A little bit more. Scott.
Oh
my God.
Oh my God.
He's not looking!
Imagine how easy it is to get a child.
I'm having
Oh my... Yeah, good luck sa'yo.
Pili ko susuntokin itong tatay na ito.
What's wrong with you? You're not paying attention? You're sitting there on the phone, not paying attention?
Yes.
That's because you're not paying attention to him. Where'd he go?
So bad.
We set you up because I know you don't pay attention when you have your son.
Oh no.
I set you up. I saw you texting, so I abducted him.
Buti na lang set up. Kung di set up yan, wala na.
Just like that. I abducted him
Tama.
in 10 seconds. As you can see from this video, it's very easy to abduct a child. If you're not paying attention, they can get abducted just like this.
Yep.
So please pay attention. Please drop this video a like and share it because it could possibly save a life. I'm Joey Salads. Thanks for watching.
Actually, yan nga yung problema sa mga cellphone ngayon, di ba? Masyado siyang nagtitake ng attention natin. Pero I think the issue is deeper than that. Kasi parang may problema sila mag-asawa and then yung bata yung nadadamay.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, paano mo pe-prevent yung mga ganyan once na lumaki na yung
Ako na magbabantay. Wala na. Na-joke. Hindi, feeling ko naman hindi mangyayari sa amin yun. To prevent that from happening, yun nga. Present, oo. Tsaka yung anak mo yung priorities mo. Pagkasama mo yung anak mo talaga. Pero yun nga, tama yung sinabi niya. Ganun lang kadali yun. Kahit nga hindi ka na-distract eh. Sabihin mo lang sa anak mo, wait lang ha, may kukunin lang ako or may bibilin lang ako, pinahintay mo somewhere. Sobrang nakakatakot na talaga ang panahon ngayon. Kaya it's better to stay more attentive than take the risk. Kasi 1 minute, 1 second lang. Wala na.
Focus on your child, especially when you're out. I really can't say anything about the dad. Obviously, there's a shortcoming on his end. We get caught up with so many things like work, maybe. Sometimes you're trying to multitask. Someone, let's just say a responsible mother or a responsible dad can make the same mistake. My point is, if it's the time for your child, it's the time for your child. Anything else can wait. I really think a child needs constant attention. If the parents are working, have someone. Di mo naman iiwan yung anak mo mag-isa sa bahay, di ba? Someone will be watching over. In the same manner, whenever you're out, if you think you're gonna be out of focus, at least have someone that will really just pay attention to wherever the baby goes.
Ano kaya sa tingin mo way mo para maiwasan yung mga ganyan?
Lubid, tali, gagapos ko yung anak ko, inaka-backpack yung anak ko sa akin. Ganun siguro. I don't know. I mean, being a baby, I don't think that's a problem because you would really have the baby close to you all the time. But when the baby starts walking, running, naging curious na siya, babay heels na siguro ako, naka-rubber shoes na siguro rin ako sa mall or something.
Boy or girl? Basketball or yoga?
Ay, tough.
Lireo o Sapiro? Lira or Mira?
Oh no!